What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the battery not charging beyond 80% issue on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on battery. Now here tap on battery protection, and then from here if you have selected maximum, then select adaptive or basic. So if you'll choose maximum here, then your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%. So if you want to charge your battery more than 80%, then select basic or turn off battery protection. So that's how you can fix the battery not charging beyond 80% issue on your Galaxy S25 or Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.